Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author, and I want to talk to you guys today about a few things. Number one, I hope everybody is doing well. I know that this whole coronavirus thing has really caused some people to freak out and go into panic mode and whatnot. That's not happening here. We're just taking it day by day, and we are focusing on just, staying healthy and going out as little as possible. We do have, so if you hear some noise going on upstairs, it's because my mom is actually working remotely from our house for her job. So it's me, my husband, and my mom, and then my son also. So it's going to be that way for a while, at least until things, kind of, I think, settle down a bit. I am in Colorado, and we are still pretty much free to move about. Restaurants have closed, casinos have closed for like dining. Casinos have closed. Restaurants have closed for dining in. You can still do takeout. We did that the other day, but honestly, we've mostly been cooking our own food just because of the risk. Another problem here is it is springtime in Colorado, so allergies are going absolutely insane. So my allergies have kicked into high gear. I'm fine. I am fine. But yes, so there is that. But other than that, everything else is just fine and it's normal. And we are offering to help our clients that we work with in real estate, to help them with whatever needs that they may have that we can still get out and do that they may not be able to. So there's that. We're kind of offering a bunch of different services at this time. So I've been a little bit busy with just trying to get my mom settled in and figure out what I'm going to do, how all of this is going to work. I'm still doing tutorials. Actually, I think this is going to be a great time for me to actually be able to sit down and do a lot of tutorials for you guys. So that should work out really well, and hopefully I'll be able to do some really cool things now that everything has settled down. Okay, so anyway, I feel like I'm yelling at everybody because there's so much going on in my house and I'm not used to that. Oh, the things we have to get used to, right? So anyway, that's kind of what's going on. I have been tossing around the idea of maybe doing a daily sew along. I don't have that put together yet. If that is something that you are interested in being a part of, go ahead and click yes or no. I will put a little, there'll be a little I at the top of this video, and you can either click yes or no, and that will let me know if that's something that you're interested in doing. I'm just thinking because people are being isolated in their homes. They're not really getting out much. A lot of the sewing stores have closed. It's really hard. You're not having that interaction with people. I would really like to do that for you if you're interested in something like that. I wouldn't start it this week. It would have to start next week because, of course, I would have to figure out what we're going to do. And I need to figure out a time that's going to work with my schedule between working from home on the real estate side versus doing this. So please, please, please don't forget to click that little I up above and let me know. Okay. So really, that's all that I have. I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. I want everybody to stay calm. I hope you're all healthy, and just relaxing. Now's a good time to catch up on any shows that you might miss or might have missed. I know that last night we watched Star Wars. I'm a big Star Wars fan, so we watched Rise of Skywalker. I saw it in the theaters, and then it came out early, and I was like, It's a good Star Wars night, so I did. And I do apologize for not having a video up yesterday, but you know, sometimes you just have to take some time for yourself. And that is exactly what I had to do. Do I have chocolate on my face? I don't know why I thought I had chocolate on my nose. Probably because I had chocolate on my shirt last time I was talking to you guys. Oh, I tell you, I'm a hot mess most of the time. I didn't even realize that I had chocolate on my shirt, on my sweatshirt, until I was doing editing, and I was like, what is that? And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh my gosh, I ate some donuts. Or no, not donuts. I had an ice cream, and I dropped some of the chocolate. It fell on my shirt and I didn't even know. And I'm sitting there doing this whole tutorial with chocolate all over my clothes. So anyway, sometimes I can be really silly. So yes. So what did I do? I will tell you this. I did work on something. So my daughter, as you know, had a brand new baby. And she asked me to make some boppy covers for her boppy pillow. And if you don't know what a boppy pillow is, I will put a picture of it up so that you'll know. But what it really is it's like a pillow that helps with nursing. And so she wanted some removable washable covers. And so I just went over and I traced out the pattern, and I brought it home and cut it out and sewed it together and took it back over there and put it on there, and it fit perfect. It worked out so great. So that is going to be the tutorial. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a boppy pillow cover. And I hope that you love it, because that's what I have for you. Anyway, so like I told you, you know, I mean, this is the Crafty author. We do sewing projects, we do quilting projects, we do Cricut projects. We do all kinds of projects on this channel. It isn't just strictly quilting and sewing all the time, although it mostly is, because that's what I love to do. But I also do other things. I picked up a skein of yarn the other day when I went to Michael's. By the way, there's nobody at Michael's right now. It was dead. I had the whole store to myself, which was fantastic. But I got some of this really cute green yarn that I've been wanting to finish crocheting my grandson a Baby Yoda hat, because I'm obsessed with Baby Yoda. Anyway, that's a story for another day. If it's Hello Kitty, Baby Yoda, or Snoopy and Woodstock, or Strawberry Shortcake. I love all those things. I think it's just because I grew up with those things. I mean, I didn't grow up with Baby Yoda, but I grew up with Yoda. So I just love it. I love it. And Chewy. But anyway, so I'm going to stop rambling now, because I'm getting a little carried away here and I need to reel it in. But that is it. I don't have anything to show you this week, because like I said, all I worked on were the boppy covers, and I took them over to my daughter. But the tutorial is going to be the actual boppy pillow. So stay tuned and make sure you watch that. Make sure you click that little I button up at the top to answer my question about, would you like me to do a weekly sew along or daily sew along? I'm sorry, where we would do it daily. We would do a little bit each day. And so let's all stay connected, okay? And let's all remain calm, because everything's going to be all right. And I do pray that you are all healthy and in good health. I pray that your families are also in good health. And I'm sending you lots of love and blessings. So stay safe. Don't forget to follow me on social media. The links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like and a share, because sharing is caring, right? And there might be others who are in need of some social interaction, and we'll just do it via social media. And keep on crafting. You guys take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.